So, most of you probably know that at the beginning of the year, I really wanted to start creating this kind of menagerie of watercolor animals and basically exploring my style in a variety of different animals. And I kind of had this idea where I wanted to basically create a gallery in my hall of all these different animals. Now, for me personally, I can't just stop there. I wanted to take it one step further, so I've kind of been planning and thinking about this for several months now, and I thought I would take y'all along for the ride of me creating this art gallery in my hallway. But basically what I wanted to do was create very simplistic watercolor animals that then I could add little elements to them for every holiday or every season to kind of change out every couple of weeks to even months my watercolor art gallery or menagerie in my hall. And this is the first illustration that I'm going to be doing with this. So since it's almost Halloween, I'm going to be creating a fox painting, and then I'm going to create a little witch's hat for him to wear. And then for Thanksgiving, I want to add something else. And for Christmas, I want to add something else. And basically, that's kind of the idea. As I add more creatures to my wall, I want to create little add-ons to each of them so that basically my art gallery is constantly changing, because I'm the type person I like for my environment to constantly be changing, especially to reflect kind of the seasons and the holidays. So that was kind of my idea of how I was going to start this particular art gallery. And I really wanted to start with a watercolor fox because personally, foxes, bunnies, and bears are my top 3 favorite animals to paint. So you've probably noticed I do a lot of foxes, I do a lot of bunnies, and I do a lot of bears. However, after I finish the watercolor fox, I really want to open it up in the future to y'all voting what type of animal I will add next to my art gallery, and that particular animal will also be added into that month's or that season's particular watercolor tutorial. And as the months and the years progress, I want to add these little elements basically of hats and scarves and just little knickknacks that I can add to these paintings so that they're constantly changing as the seasons change. So I really hope that you'll come along with me on this journey and basically maybe start creating your own art menagerie in your house as well that can change with the seasons as time goes by. So I hope you're ready to join me on this artistic journey as we learn different watercolor and art tips, as well as how to paint a fox and how to create a cute little witch's hat for the Halloween season.